Hi, my name is Ger from AOC Commercials here in Carricktoon, and I'd like to take a little bit of time to show you some features of this Scania R500. As you can see, 500 horsepower, 6-cylinder engine, fitted with a R20 sleeper cab. As you can see, this particular cab is quite well spec'd with chrome horns in the roof, spotlights on top of the roof, and some extra lighting in the sun visor. So here we are on the inside of the Scania R500, again fitted with the CR20 sleeper cab. You can see we have a leather multifunction steering wheel, we have the premium infotainment screen, which is 7-inch screen, and our instrument cluster is also 7-inch. The interior door cards in leather, seats are leather, both seats are heated and ventilated. Also, you can see from the height of the cab we have 3 drawers at the rear and 3 at the front. Also underneath the bed we have 2 further pull-out drawers, one of which features a fridge. The other drawer is just available for storage. I'd just like to show you some features on the outside of the truck. We have twin fuel tanks, 200 litres on this side, and on the other side 610 litres. We have a jost sliding fifth wheel coupling. This truck is fitted with a dual battery system at the rear of the chassis, and also is nicely finished with LED lights. So, as I said earlier, this truck is available ex-stock, and if you need any more information you can contact me, Ger McCarthy, or Bernie O'Connor at AOC Commercials.